Welcome, everyone. My name is Doug Wilson. I'm the Paving for Progress Program Manager with the City of Cedar Rapids.
Hello, my name is Lee Tippy. I'm with the Public Works Department Engineering Paving for Progress team. I've been the city's project engineer and project manager on the Chandler Street and 20th Street project pretty much since the beginning, certainly during the design phase, and will continue that role during construction. You have my contact information from the letters, and you'll have my phone number on this presentation. If you have questions during the project, don't hesitate to give me a call. Thank you and have a good day.
And I'm Todd Hoppel with Anderson Bogert. I served as the project manager for the design phases on this project.
So a quick overview of what we're going to be covering today. We'll just give a Paving for Progress update. We'll have Todd Hoppel give us project details and timeline. And then at the end, we'll talk about how you can contact us throughout the construction phase with any questions. So Paving for Progress is our 1 cent local option sales tax funded street reconstruction, rehabilitation, and maintenance program that we have. We have more than 65 miles that we've done in the program, over 200 projects, invested $166 million. And of those 209 projects, 66% of them have been on local streets like where Chandler and 20th are. So project history, back in 2017, we started the reconstruction of the project, reconstruction in the area with the 18th and 8th Avenue intersection, which was rebuilt. Last year, we completed a section of Chandler Street between 10th Avenue and 18th Avenue. And this year, we will begin construction on the remainder of Chandler Street and on 20th Street, along with some sidewalk along 16th Avenue. Where we're at right now is in the life of the project, we're at construction. So we've gone through concept, refinement of plan, and final design and bid of the project. And now we'll start with construction of this final phase. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Todd Hoppel with Anderson Bogert to talk about the details of the project. Thank you.
Well, welcome everyone. The Chandler Street and 20th Street project, you can see on the screen here. It starts at 10th Avenue at the north end of the project, includes 20th Street all the way to the Jefferson High School entrance, and also includes the loop of Chandler Street around the south side there. There's also a little bit of sidewalk work along 20th Street and 16th Avenue to the south, just to get everyone orientated. Summary of the improvements in those construction zones. We're going to be putting in brand new concrete streets and reconstructing all the driveway aprons. There's going to be new storm sewer intakes and drain tile stubs for each property owner to tie into. There's going to be new water mains and services to each household. And we're going to complete some of the gaps in the sidewalk along 16th Avenue Southwest, and the new Quick Trip store that's going in along 20th and 16th, that's going to complete some sidewalk along 20th Street down to the Jefferson High School. The timeline moving forward, we're in April now. We had a pre-construction meeting yesterday. The contractor indicating they're looking to start on April 19th, so just about a week and a half away. What you're going to see this spring is a lot of private utility relocations. Those have already started. And the contractor is going to start on some water main installation and work on that through the summer. When school breaks for the summer of 2021, the intersection of 20th Street and Chandler Street intersection will be closed down. And they'll be doing utility work and paving in that intersection. And along with the 16th Avenue sidewalk, that's all going to be done before school opens again in the fall. This summer, you'll start seeing some paving operations beginning towards the west end of the project. And whatever they get done this year, the road will fully be open by the winter of 2021. Spring of 22, you'll see the resuming of paving operations and driveways. And everything should be wrapped up by the fall of 2022, including sodding of yards. Some property impacts. Property access is going to be the big one that you'll notice. Driveways will be closed during your segment of construction. We do have some incentives in the contract to restrict the closures to each driveway to 21 days max, and they do have incentive to get those done earlier. We also have an item in the contract for some temporary surfacing to allow people to access their driveways with some rock in the interim, and that's just going to have to be played by ear during construction. School access will be maintained during the academic year at all times. When they're redoing the water main and reconnecting services, there's going to be a temporary interruption to your water service, probably a couple hours during that time. Garbage and recycling bin pickup, just set those out at the end of your driveway on your normal day on Monday, and the contractor will get those to the end of the construction for the solid waste people to pick those up. Mail delivery should continue as scheduled. The mailman should be able to walk from yard to yard to get to your house. Some of the traffic impacts. There's going to be some lane reductions, intersection closures for some of the utility work. Some of the water main is going to be kind of a moving operation, so we'll have it down to like half the roadway. We should be able to still get through. Once we start the pavement replacements, that is going to be full closures in the segments, and I'll go through all the multiple stages here in a little bit. There's going to be a lane reduction on 16th Avenue for the sidewalk work for the westbound right lane for a short time in the summer. And like I said, access is going to be maintained to high school during the school year, except for the summer 2021 while the intersection's closed. So some of the paving phases is kind of color coded here just for quick reference. The contractor is going to start in that green area. So starting up the hill on Chandler Street, south of 10th Avenue, they're going to start there this spring with some water main work. And then they're going to switch over to the intersection of 20th and Chandler and Jefferson intersection, the red intersection down there. And that's going to be total utility and paving this summer, and have all that open before school starts this fall. Then they can back up, and then during that time, they're going to be working on additional water main installation in the yellow, the orange, the blue, pink, and the dark red areas during the summer as well. In late summer, they will start paving operations in the green area. Once they get that done, they can move to the yellow area and then the orange area. We do have some incentive in the contract for the contractor to get all of 20th Street paved this year, and at the pre-con they did indicate it was their intent to make that goal this year. So hopefully by the end of 2021, all the paving in the green, yellow, and orange and the red is all done, leaving just paving in the blue, pink, and the dark red areas for 2022. And as they finish up a paving segment, they will finish up your driveways at the same time. So once they open an area, it'll be open. So as a contractor works in areas, they always have to provide access in and out of the neighborhood from one direction or the other. So there could be times where you can't get out to the north or can't get out to 20th Street, but you'll always be able to get in and out from one direction.
Thank you, Todd, for that thorough description of what's going to be going on this summer and next summer. If you want to sign up for construction updates, please go to www.cityofcedarrapids.com/subscribe. And project contacts are Pierce Tobin Construction. Eric Ball is our city construction contract administrator. And as Lee said, he is our project manager, and their phone numbers are here on the slide. Of course, there's other ways to contact us via mail, phone, email, or to request a Zoom call. You can also leave feedback online at www.cityofcedarrapids.com/virtual public works. Once again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please contact us if you have any questions. If you have any questions about the Paid for Progress program, you can go to www.cityofcedarrapids.com/Paid for Progress. And once again, Lee Tippie is our project manager, and he can be reached at 319-286-5816. Thank you.